so we're gonna start out with this one, the yellow. First, what we're gonna be we're just gonna take this right here, this clay. This is too hard. It doesn't come with a rolling pin. So since it doesn't come with it, I just gotta squeeze it with my own hand. This is super hard. I need something to roll it with. I'm just not needing it to be rolled all off like that. This is too hard. This is too hard. I hate that this is too thick, like clay. Oh my god. This is not even good as I expected. Ooh, it's too thick. Why is this clay really thick? Hate it a lot. Well, what I'm gonna be doing, we're back soon. Just wait. Just the head of the cat. What is that? Okay, never mind. I'm just not gonna tell anything. Do whatever I'm doing, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna be doing it next. I'm just gonna be okay, now what I did is make it like a oval triangular shape. Now I'm just getting my finger to use this to make sure that the nose is good enough. At least not much of this is gonna be bad. I'm just gonna keep that the nose is pretty good enough. This is a little too thick. The clay is too thick for me to mold. So I just want to have this piece. Now I'm just gonna get some white though. Just a bit of it. Just a little. Not this too much. Let's see if we can at least fit this a little bit. As the eye, I'm gonna be surprised that it doesn't much fit better enough. So to add it, I'm just adding in this out. For me, it's not comfortable. I need it to be a little comfy. So I think I didn't add too much for this one. Okay, so this didn't turn as well as I expected, but I'm just gonna continue it. See you in part 2.